Hello, I am Chris Bianca Cusin. Today, be demonstrating how to book through the Expedia apps. Let's start first. Open the Expedia apps, then tap on the flight. Click leaving from the set it is to Manila, then click going to and set it to Singapore. Select your travel dates, then click travelers to choose how many people will be traveling with you. Select business class, then click search to see available flights and choose the one that fits your needs. To the book a hotel, click on hotels and enter the country where you be staying. Set the check-in and check-out dates, then ensure the number of travelers correct. After that, click search the result 5-star and pick the hotel then suit your best. Once done, process to be out, fill out on the booking form and complete your payment processes. For the booking activities, return to the main menu, select the countries you're visiting and your travel dates. Brochure through available activities and choose what you'd like to do during your stay. Complete the booking processes for activities.